Hello, good morning guys. Yan po yung kababayan nating nandito sa Zurich. Naglalakad kasama ng kanyang anak or nagbe-babysitter siya. Ito na ho, nandito kami sa place ng where is the factory of Lind. And always, hindi mawawala sa Switzerland ang lake. So, this is it. It's a very good morning and so nice. And this is very parking slot ng mga boat. And may konting araw po siya. Pero malamig pa rin kasi it's 11 centigrade today in this place. And I think that is apartment. Or Airbnb. Hindi mo masabi kung ano. Hindi ko masabi rin. Diyan yung magandang puno. It's autumn. Look, so big. So big. Look, yun yung bar. Yun ang mga it's fishing time. What is very nice place. Another house, the front of the lake. So very nice place. Yan. Kung makikita niyo lang, super ganda po. Alam mo guys, affordable siya ha. Kasi kung makakakita ka ng trabaho, the front of the lane. So very nice. Yes. Where's going? Siya yung may dalang oxygen. So we go there, he left the oxygen and maybe he get his Hello, good morning. For what reason that oxygen? Huh? For what reason the oxygen?
For go scuba diving.
Ah, for scuba diving. You this time?
Yeah, we'll go later first. Make scuba diving.
Sorry, I'm vlogging for my YouTube.
I don't want to make a video for.
Okay. Sorry. But it's for scuba diving.
Yeah?
That is for scuba diving.
Yeah, scuba diving.
Okay. Thank you for the info. for scuba diving.